Hello everyone! Welcome to Lutong Sari Sari TV. Kumusta po kayo? I hope everyone's life is becoming better and better. Today mga kalutong Sari Sari TV, I will gonna share with you how to cook honey garlic salmon in a very simple, quick and easy way. Ito po yung mga kakailanganin nating mga ingredients for our honey garlic salmon. Ilalagay ko po ito sa description ng aking video for your reference. As we all know mga kalutong Sari Sari TV, salmon is tasty and nourishing, widely regarded as super healthy food. It's pretty easy to cook it. Our garnishes, we use toasted sesame seeds and finely sliced spring onions. Set aside the salmon for at least 5 to 6 minutes. For the sauce of our honey garlic salmon, I simply used 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 4 minced large garlic clove to go with this dish. How to cook a salmon is by eye, looking at the side of the salmon. It should be not pale pink and fully cooked. If sauce thickens too much before your salmon is cooked to your taste, just add water 1 tablespoon at a time. This honey garlic salmon was only cooked with basic and simple sauce, yet with great satisfied result. The sauce is so refreshing and tempting. My employer felt very satisfied for this dish. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful and may you learn something new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.